Huawei has recently unveiled a pair of new earbuds. The first one in this launch is the FreeBuds SE. The company launched quietly in the global market and will, without a doubt, soon be launched in China, accompanied by upcoming announcements in that region. Interestingly, this one made its debut first globally. These headphones showcase a design known as 80% light with dimensions of 32.3 by 21.3 by 24 millimeters. And they weigh 4.3 grams, while their case measures 46.5 by 60, 1.8 by 24.7 millimeters, and weighs 36 grams. And these headphones come with an IP54 dust and splash resistance rating and provide up to 50 hours of battery life when using the included charging case. The battery in the headphones themselves allows for 10 hours of playback without noise cancellation and 7 hours of playback with noise cancellation turned on. The standout feature is definitely the noise cancellation, which provides 3 different modes and supports up to 29 decibels. It's not as intense with noise cancellation, but it's the first time that a headset from Huawei's SE series includes this feature. There are 3 modes for cancellation: Ultra, General, and another called Cozy, though it might translate differently, generally refers to 3 noise cancellation levels. They also feature microphones for sound pickup 4D for clearer calls and robust drivers that balance high, medium, and low sound levels effectively as per the brand. They also come with Bluetooth 5.4, and of course they are compatible with both Android and iOS devices. These earphones feature touch controls where you can double tap to either play or pause your audio. This same action is used to answer or end a call. If you triple tap, you can skip to the previous track or advance to the next one depending on which earphone you are using. Additionally, you can hold a tap for 2 seconds to switch between different modes like noise cancellation, transparency, or turn these modes off completely. The company has also announced the FreeBuds 7i, which are currently available for pre-sale and will be officially unveiled at its upcoming event in China. These new earbuds will be offered in a fresh, soft pink shade known as Sakura Fan. In addition to the existing white and gray colors, they feature a rounded design and will continue to provide the same look and feel as their predecessors. The most significant new feature is that the noise cancellation technology has now reached the 4th version, making it a bit more intense. They also support HD spatial audio, and the artificial intelligence virtual assistant is smarter in that region. Interestingly, for now, we don't know the price of the FreeBuds. I know they were announced globally, but we already know the price of the 7i FreeBuds that are currently on pre-sale for China. Their price in that region is 599 yuan, which at the current exchange rate is approximately $82. Please tell me in the comments if you currently own any wireless headphones. Share what brand they are, your thoughts on how you like them, and whether you are considering replacing them anytime soon.